to the Crypto Moses channel.
I have a question.
The question is simple, you guys. Can SHIB surge by a staggering 422% that we needed to? And then will that make it hit all the new all-time highs? Well, there's a major bullish pattern that's currently just formed. And analysts right now are basically buzzing with excitement. Let's break it all down today. But before we dive in, can you please make sure you click that subscribe button, that like, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update? But let's get right into it today. So now Shiba Inu has officially broken out of the falling wedge that we've had, and that was historically a bullish pattern. If you don't know, a falling edge occurs when a price consolidates with lower highs and lower lows, but then eventually it breaks out towards the upwards, and usually it will surge. Now this pattern has predicted some of the biggest rallies in SHIB's past before, and according to Bezos Crypto, an analyst who's closely watching SHIB's movement as well, this breakout could drive the price up to 0.000008841, marking about a 422% increase from its current levels. And I know that does sound insane, but there are some technical indicators that are backing that up. Now, what's fueling some of this optimism? Well, from yesterday to now, we finally got a volume surge. Trading volume is spiking again, which means there's strong buying interest that is finally stepping in. We also have an awesome oscillator. That is a momentum indicator, and it's shifting from red bars to green bars, finally signaling that we're going to get a bullish reversal. Then we've got the MACD. The MACD lines have finally crossed the single line, and then that's another big classic buying signal. And then some of my favorites, the histogram bars are turning green. This does reinforce that there's some bullish growing sentiment hinting at a potential rally. Now, another thing we have to think about is Bitcoin has some influence and there's some whale activity. So before we get all too excited, we need to consider Bitcoin's role in all of this. Now, historically, altcoins and meme coins like SHIB best perform when Bitcoin is also on an uptrend. And if BTC remains in a strong position, it could actually push SHIB even higher. Now, however, there's a twist. SHIB whales have dumped about 2.1 trillion tokens, which is worth around $32.5 million today. This will create short-term volatility. Now, but if the buying pressure remains strong, SHIB could still push through. Now, let's talk about a price prediction. And the question is simple. Can SHIB maybe reach $1 in 2025? I think that is not possible at all for a dollar number. I don't want to give us any false hope, but it is possible for it to maybe make it back to all-time highs, especially if this bull market does continue or we get a massive surge in Bitcoin buying price. Now, SHIB has some developments that will also help drive its growth, and these are fundamental things. For example, its metaverse project aims to create over 100,000 virtual land plots, apparently. This should increase adoption and hopefully long-term value. Now, currently right now we're sitting at around 0.0001556. We've had a very small increase. It's just been consolidating all week, and all my plays have been short plays that are short-term or longer plays that are short-term as well. Now, a 25.5% decline is what we've had over the last month. Now, according to the top, we're down about 40% in total, but if Shiba does maintain its annual growth rate of what it has been of roughly 60%, its price could easily reach the 0.0000393 by the end of this year, which is a strong increase, though it's still not going to be $1. I'm sorry, but what we need to think about is for SHIB to reach $1, it's going to require a lot of massive reduction in supply through big burns and an unprecedented level of investment and widespread adoption in global financial system. That's going to be hard. These scenarios are hypothetical, and they are also theoretically possible, but they're unlikely to happen this current year. We've got crypto analysts like Javon Marks, and he shared his long-term price prediction for SHIB, which is the same as the other guys at 408814. His logic is that we need to first break the 30 mark, which I agree, then the 50 mark, and then we'll make it to the 800. So super duper doable. We just have to be realistic and we have to be understanding and patient. And right now, SHIB isn't going to give us these life-changing long-term gains, but it is there to day trade. It's very volatile and it's a very, very beautiful token to keep watch on, especially because once we see an uptrend in SHIB, we're going to see an uptrend in the majority of the meme coin market. We want to treat SHIB like we think of Bitcoin and Ethereum for the general market, but focused on the meme coin market. Now, right now, the setup does look bullish, right? But always in crypto, volatility is king. We're never going to be able to control or change that. But if Bitcoin does hold strong and SHIB continues its breakout momentum, we could be looking at an insane 400% plus rally ahead. I do want to know what you guys think. Could SHIB smash through the resistance we're kind of stuck on now and maybe make some of these all-time highs, or is this just another light fake out? Drop your predictions in the comment below. But before you go, please don't forget, like, subscribe, and share the channel. It means the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Your support helps keep it growing, gives me the chance to do this research. It means the world. And lastly, do not forget, if you want to simplify your taxes and maximize your profits, you want to use our company, BC Management, link below. We're just going to make your DeFi transactions easy. We'll get them all listed out and reported for you so you can file correctly, and you've got a backlog showing what you've done on the blockchain. Until next time, you guys, stay informed, stay prepared, and most importantly, stay ahead. Thanks, everyone. Peace out.